It's easy to have faith when everything is going right. When the money is flowing, when the success is obvious, when the respect is pouring in. But true faith? True belief in yourself? That's tested when you're facing the storms of life. When nothing seems to be working, when doors are closing, when challenges rise up against you, that's when you must have unwavering faith. Faith is about believing in the unseen. It's about taking the first step before the path is clear. It's about jumping in the deep end and knowing that you will rise. That's the mindset of the elite. That's the mindset of the successful. When everything is going smoothly, anyone can be positive. But when life throws its toughest battles at you, that's when you prove what you're made of. That's when you rise. Because everything worth having is worth the fight. You want success? You want power? You want the world to look at you with admiration and respect? Then you must be willing to fight for it. You can't quit halfway. You can't stop when it gets hard. You must push through the cold, the darkness, the doubters, the competition. You must outlast them. You must outwork them. You must outbelieve them. Yes, you will be knocked down. Yes, you will face obstacles. But that is the test. Will you rise? Will you keep fighting? Will you dig deep and discover your true power? Because when you do, when you refuse to break, you don't just win material success. You win something far greater, character expansion, a new level of you. If I can survive the storm, I can outdo the norm. If I want to break through the ordinary, I must first endure the storms. If I want more than most, I must do more than most. Believe more than most. Learn more than most. Sacrifice more than most. Push more than most. Because long term, I know everything I desire will come my way. Long term, I know that if I keep pushing, I will be rewarded. Long term, I know that consistency, discipline, and unshakable belief will bring results beyond my wildest dreams. I have faith. I have faith that in the end, everything will work out. If I keep grinding. If I keep learning. If I keep adapting. If I keep evolving. Setbacks? They are not failures. They are redirections. They are opportunities to level up, to strengthen my resolve, to prove my commitment. Because when you push through struggle, you don't just gain success, you gain something more valuable. You gain respect. And respect? Respect is not given, it is earned. It is earned through power, through dominance, through status. And in this world, status matters. Power matters. Respect matters. People don't respect words, they respect results. They respect symbols of achievement. And nothing speaks louder than success. Nothing turns heads faster than proof of dominance. And let's be clear, power is displayed through what you own. Through the way you move. Through the way the world perceives you. You walk into a room in a suit, you might get a glance. You pull up in a Lamborghini, in a Ferrari, in a Bugatti, you own the room. You don't just enter, you command. Owning one luxury car? That's nice. Owning multiple? That's a statement. That's proof. That's respect. Because one car can be luck. One car can be a fluke. But a fleet? A collection of the rarest, most exotic machines on the planet? That tells the world, I made it. I am him. I am undeniable. This isn't about the cars. This is about what they represent. Wealth. Power. Victory. And let's be honest, when you step out of a supercar, when you roll up in a vehicle that costs more than most people's houses, people don't just see you differently. They treat you differently. Doors open. Conversations change. Respect is automatic. And if you don't understand that, if you don't see the value in making a statement through success, then you're not thinking like the elite. So, ask yourself, do you want to blend in? Or do you want to stand out? Do you want to be another name lost in the crowd? Or do you want to be a legend? Legends don't drive average cars. Legends don't live average lives. Legends don't settle. Make sure your story is one of power. Make sure your story is one of a person who refused to quit. Make sure your story is one of a person who demanded the best. And then go out there and prove it. Your future self is waiting. The respect, the wealth, the status, it's all waiting. Go claim it.